Hi there, it's me, Walid. Welcome back. Today we're gonna be experimenting and making a solar car. Solar car reduces the amount of pollution. As you see, there's lots of books. Let's get started. What are we waiting for? Oh, hi back. Now we're gonna start building. This is my box. Pretty cool, yeah? I call it the solar kit, as it's written over here. So with this, you can make a solar windmill, a solar revolving plane, a solar airboat. You can make a solar plane, you can make a solar puppy, and for sure we can make a solar car, which we'll make in a second. What are we waiting for? I said a second. Let's start. Let's open this box. This is manual. Dun, dun, dun. And I need this. Now that I have unbuilt it. Now that I have unhooked the car, we're gonna rebuild it. Yay! No, I know guys you're happy, but wait a minute. Okay, let's start. This are the parts of the car, you see? Wheel, don't run away. There it is. So this is the gearbox, most important part of the car. I know it's hard to make, but what can we do? So the first thing, I remembered it by heart, is to, let me remember, oh yeah. Where is that thing? This has been running away since 2016. So I put the wheel on, you see, now it's moving freely, for sure. Now moving freely, but now I need the front ones, but there's no more metal pieces. I have an idea. We take the gearbox and we put the plus place inside, and we take this other wheel and we put it inside here. The next one, we put it inside here. Oh my god, don't you believe it? Now it can move, but what's gonna power it? Oh yeah, I almost forgot the solar thingy. Now we're gonna take this and we're gonna put it over. We're gonna put it over. No, not here. Wrong way. I know, guys. I always get the idea wrong, but what can we do? It's loud. Come on. So now, put it like this. And now, wait. Not moving. Where's the sun? Oh yeah, I remembered. I have to put those in. So, for the green one, you put it at the minus place. And now I have my tool over here to put the green one inside the red one, I have said before. So the green one goes into the red one first. I have to tie this together like this. Now I would put it in. It's pretty hard, but what can we do? Man, I glitched it. It's so hard. Huh? It's hard, I know. At last, I've fixed the problem and put the wires in. Let's check if it actually works. Come on, what are you waiting for, people? Let's go and check. We need a sunny place. Let's go outside.
I know exactly what I need.
Okay, so now we're gonna go outside of the library and check it out.
Follow me to check it out.
baby.
Now we're outside of the library. Let's check the Sunny Tracing. Is it broken? Oh my god! It's strong. It's pretty strong, guys. Man, going upside. Going the wrong way. Oh no, stop. Oh my god, it's pretty strong. See, you can put it in the direction you need it. And just realized it goes. Okie dokie. Let's try it. All the stairs. Man! Hold on.
You're gonna break that thing.